You are the creator, and you are the universe. Heaven and hell don't live somewhere out there. They live inside you. You built them with your thoughts, your words, your energy. Every time you speak, you cast a spell. Every time you believe, you breathe life into your reality. You don't wait for blessings. You become the blessing. So speak light into your life. Move with purpose. Manifest with power. Because the moment you realize the universe isn't something you look for, it's something you are. That's the moment heaven finds its home, right here on earth.